Welcome to our comprehensive guide on end-to-end testing interview questions. End-to-end testing, commonly known as E2E testing, is a critical methodology that validates complete user workflows from start to finish. Today, you'll learn about user journey testing, browser automation tools, test scenario design, and comprehensive system testing strategies. These concepts are essential for any software tester preparing for technical interviews or looking to enhance their testing expertise. End-to-end testing is a software testing methodology that validates complete user workflows from the beginning to the end of an application. Unlike unit testing, which focuses on individual components, E2E testing examines the entire application flow as a real user would experience it. It involves testing across multiple systems, databases, networks, and external dependencies. The primary goal is to ensure that business processes work correctly in a production-like environment. This testing approach helps identify integration issues that might not be caught during isolated component testing. Understanding the differences between testing types is crucial for interview preparation. Unit testing focuses on individual components and code functionality, typically testing small pieces of code in isolation. Integration testing examines how different modules interact with each other and validates data flow between components. End-to-end testing, however, covers complete user workflows and focuses on business process validation. While unit tests are fast and pinpoint specific issues, E2E tests provide confidence that the entire system works as intended from a user's perspective. User journey testing is a fundamental aspect of end-to-end testing that focuses on validating complete user paths through application features. It involves creating test scenarios based on real-world usage patterns and user personas. The key components include identifying critical user paths, mapping business workflows, and ensuring cross-system interactions function properly. This approach ensures that the most important user scenarios work flawlessly. User journey testing helps validate that the application meets business requirements and provides a seamless user experience across different touchpoints. Browser automation is the backbone of modern end-to-end testing. Selenium is a widely used cross-browser automation framework that supports multiple programming languages and browsers. Playwright is a modern automation tool that provides fast and reliable testing across all major browsers with advanced features like auto-wait and network interception. Cypress is a JavaScript-based testing framework known for its developer-friendly experience and real-time browser preview. Each tool has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on your project requirements, team expertise, and testing needs. Effective test scenario design is crucial for comprehensive end-to-end testing coverage. Happy path scenarios test the ideal user flow when everything works as expected. Error handling scenarios validate how the system responds to invalid inputs, network failures, and unexpected conditions. Edge cases test boundary conditions and unusual but valid scenarios. Cross-browser compatibility scenarios ensure consistent behavior across different browsers and devices. Good scenario design principles include covering critical business flows, including thorough data validation, testing various user interactions, and verifying system integrations work correctly. A well-structured end-to-end test follows a clear pattern for reliability and maintainability. The setup and preconditions phase prepares the test environment, creates necessary test data, and navigates to the starting point. Execute user actions simulates real user interactions like clicking buttons, filling forms, and navigating through the application. Verify outcomes checks that the expected results occurred, validating both visual elements and data changes. Finally, cleanup and teardown removes test data and resets the environment for the next test. This structure ensures tests are independent, repeatable, and easy to debug when issues arise. End-to-end testing comes with several inherent challenges that testers must address. Test execution speed is often slower than unit tests due to browser interactions, network calls, and complex workflows. Flaky tests are a common issue where tests fail intermittently due to timing problems, network delays, or external dependencies. Solutions include implementing explicit waits and retry mechanisms. Maintenance overhead occurs because user interface changes frequently break tests, requiring constant updates. Using page object model and stable selectors helps reduce this burden. Environment dependencies mean tests rely on external services and specific test data, which can be managed through proper test, data strategies, and service mocking. Following best practices ensures your end-to-end tests are effective and maintainable. In test design, focus on critical user journeys that represent the most important business flows. Use the page object model to create reusable, maintainable test code. Implement data-driven testing to run the same test with different datasets. Maintain test independence so tests can run in any order without affecting each other. For execution strategy, run tests in parallel to reduce overall execution time. Use explicit waits instead of fixed delays to handle dynamic content reliably. Implement retry mechanisms for handling occasional failures and continuously monitor test metrics to identify patterns and improve test stability. Here are essential end-to-end testing interview questions you should be prepared to answer. When asked about handling dynamic elements in E2E tests, discuss explicit waits, element visibility checks, and retry mechanisms. For test data management strategies, explain data factories, database seeding, and API-driven setup approaches. When questioned about ensuring E2E tests are maintainable, highlight the page object model pattern, creating reusable components, and using stable selectors that don't break easily with user interface changes. Understanding these concepts and being able to explain practical solutions demonstrates your expertise in end-to-end testing methodology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.